Your voice like wolves howling on the distant shore.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about pollinating zucchini. Sometimes they turn black and they get rotten, or the tips start to rot off just as they're looking nice. So as you can see here, we have two different kinds of flowers. One, I'm just picking my yellow zucchini so it's easier to see. You'll see that there's a flower on top of a zucchini, and then you have flowers that have stems with no zucchini in it.
Where you had to pollinate it. Which?
The pollinating it? Okay.
Which piece?
So you have to pull back all the flowers. Can you pull back all the flowers so you can see the stamen? So my son's...
Like these?
Yeah. My son's going to show you. He's done this before. And you can do this with all of your pumpkins and large squashes. So we peel back the flowers until you see the stamen of the male flower. Good.
Right here.
Yeah. There you go. Sorry if this video is wiggly. There. Okay. Now we're going to very gently open up the female flower. Which is which is the one. Now let me just get them to look inside here. So I'm going to show them all. You'll notice that the female one has kind of an inside there. And Rex is just showing you how it gets pollinated. Yeah, we can leave that in there if you want. Sure. And you can take it out and pollinate more if you want. Or just leave it in there. And the flowers will open up in the morning as well. So anyway, that's how you pollinate, you self-pollinate your zucchinis. You can also do that with your cucumbers, pumpkins, spaghetti squash, red Octobers, butternut squash, basically any type of squash, you are able to do that. And that is how you self-pollinate a zucchini specifically, but all squash as well.